got the honey and Drake got the flow. Winnie be winning, let's watch him go.
What? I'm in the Pooh, legendary pair. We both think we bears with color matching hair.
Yo, Winnie the Pooh, and the gang in the hizzle, working the hood, finding their honeydew drizzle.
All my AI music secrets will be out in the open in this video, so before you go any further, just like and subscribe.
Okay, let's go.
The AI tool that can generate cool tunes and music based on text prompts is called UberDuck.com. Moobear users can instantly generate an audio track of a specific length, genre, and mood using Moobear Render. All you have to do is go to UberDuck.com, sign up using a free account using Google, Facebook. You can now generate a music track by genre, mood. Let's try to generate something. You can do that by clicking on this little icon and choosing from different genres or moods. You can mix them up and choose different ones to create your own track. But what's even cooler is you can actually enter a prompt instead, like Drake rapping rap hip-hop, R&B, all that jazz. And in a couple of seconds, it'll generate your own unique track that has never been heard. While it's generating these 2 tracks, let's explore some other features of this website. One of the coolest things that I liked was staff-selected playlists. You can explore different kind of playlists. Let's have a look at Hollywood Epic Playlist. Music here has a somewhat movie-style undertone. In the meantime, our generation is done. Let's listen to the music that it generated for us. Cool. You can play around with this text-to-tune feature and explore it to get the right tune suitable for your needs. At this point, it's very important to understand that this music cannot be used for commercial purposes directly. For example, if you try to download a music track, it will ask you to agree to a specific kind of license for your requirement. Here, for ambassador license, you need to give reference to the Moobear website explicitly. The good thing is that you can actually buy different kinds of licenses from the website. Now, in the next step to create some rap vocals, I found this crazy website called UberDuck.ai. All you do is tap on Get Started, then sign in or sign up using your Gmail account, and after that you can go to this section called Text-to-Speech. Then right over here is where you can type in your lyrics. For example, I asked Chat GPT to make some funny lyrics about Winnie the Pooh. Then in the drop-down, you can choose from a bunch of different voices or upload your own voices and make them rap to the lyrics that you supplied. Of course, this is all just for fun and you can't use this commercially. But finally, once all that is done, hit synthesize and you have your vocals. Merge the two together in any basic tool and you have an AI rap song in the voice of your favorite artist.
In the 100-acre wood there's a bear so sweet, with a tummy that's round and a laugh so neat. He's always on the hunt for some honey to eat. That silly old bear, oh what a treat.
With AI-created music, rap, and vocals at your fingertips, one could even start an AI radio station. The potential for creativity is unlimited. However, as always, it's crucial to use these tools responsibly and understand the limitations of AI.